Good morning, student. Today I will teach you the place value of 4-digit number. I hope you all remember it. In your previous class, I teach you the place value of 3-digit. You know that the position of a digit in a number given its a place value. Ones, tens, 100,000. Here 4-digit and place value. 1, 2, 3. 3 in 1 place, 2 in tens place, 1 in 100 place and 5 in 1000 place. Now write the place value of each digit. Here number given 4685. 4. The first number is 4. What is the place value of 4? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So write here 4000. 6. Where is 6? What is the place value of 6 digit? Ones, tens, 100. So 600. Now the next one is 8. What is the place value of 8? Ones and tens. So we write here 80. 5 in ones place. So write only 5. Okay. The same as 5124. Here the number is 5. Ones, tens, 100,000. 5,000. 1. 1 tens, 100. 100. Okay. 2. Ones and tens, 20. 4 in ones place. So you write only 4. Here 2907. You do yourself. 3058. Actually don't be worried if the 0. Now 2 in 1000 place 2000. 9 in 100 place. So 900. Yes student. 0. 0 in tens place. No need to write the 2 0. You write only 1 0. It's 0. It's a tens place. Okay. Now 8 7 in ones place. If you write here tens place 2 0, no any problem because 1 0 2 0 both are in the same. Same as 3 in 1000 place. So you write here 1000. 0 in 100 place. So write here 0. 5 in tens place. You write here 50. And 8 in ones place. So write here 8. Okay. Now fill in digit. In 2458. 5 is in the place where 5 is. Ones and tens in 50 place. Tens place means 50. And 2 is in the ones, tens, 100,000. 2000 place. In 5714, the digit in the 1000 place is 5. 1000. Which number is in 1000 place? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 5 in the 1000 place. And its place value is 5000. Okay. Place is 5th and digit in 5 and the place value is 5000. Now in 4923 the place value of 9 in 900 of 4 digit is 4000. Okay. Fill the page number 18 in your book. This is your homework. Thank you.